Hi, hello everyone. Patricius Juwandono here. Today's topic is cognitive multimedia learning. This is a theory which is useful during the online teaching learning activities, which you probably do in these days during the pandemic time. So cognitive multimedia learning actually believes that human beings or learners will learn best if they apply dual coding. Now, dual coding principle means that, sorry, a bit of distraction from my screen. Okay, so dual coding principle basically means that human beings process information or input through two channels. One is the visual, things that they can see with their eyes. Yeah. So the text that they read, the pictures that they see, the videos that they watch, yeah, they are all visual input. They go through the eyes and then they enter the brain and the information gets processed there. The second one, the second channel is verbal. Verbal is things that they can hear by their ears. So teacher's explanation or lecturer's explanation constitutes or is a form of verbal element because it's something that your students can hear. Now, dual coding principle believes that if combined, then these two channels provide the best way for learning. This helps the students understand the information better and then retain the information in their mind, and then it helps them retrieve the information more easily. So when it comes to practice, when it comes to teaching your students and you present your ideas or your lessons on your PowerPoint, then you put it up on the screen, you should also explain. As they see that, as they see the writing on the PowerPoint, they can also hear your voice explaining whatever is being put in the PowerPoint. And that is the application of a dual coding principle. And so when your students read the text or see the picture, they can also hear your explanation about the text or about the picture. Now that is a dual coding principle at work. Now, this theory believes that as they see the text, as they read the text or see the picture and hear your voice, it can enhance their learning. Once the information gets into the brain, it is processed and then it is kept in the long-term memory. And then when it comes for the students to retrieve the memory, they will do it more easily. Yeah. Okay, this seems or sounds simple, but actually when you're not careful, then you will carelessly put too many visual elements without explaining them, or you put something and then you speak about something else, and that's also not effective. Or you just put things there and then you put too many distractions like accessories, stickers going in and out your screen. That's also not effective. You think it is attractive, but well, probably it is effective, but it will disrupt the process of learning by your students. Okay, so that's a very short explanation about dual coding principle in cognitive multimedia learning. I'm going to give a brief lecture sometime in the beginning of September 2020. So if you have time, you can join me and we can engage in a more meaningful discussion about the application of cognitive multimedia learning. Okay, in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy. See you again in my next episode. Goodbye for now.